Click the bell icon to get latest videos from Ekeeda.
Hello friends, now we are going to look at the functions where we are going to check whether the stack is empty. Also we are going to get the size of the stack, and then we are going to check whether the stack is full or not. Okay, so we are going to check three functions. First, stack is empty. Next is stack is full, and last is what? We are going to get the size of the stack. Now coming to this stack, we always remember that in case of stack we have a pointer variable called as top. Okay, so let's take an example of a stack. Okay, now we are going to have the value based on which variable? Top. So top variable is very important in this case. Okay, now I've defined a function called as isEmpty. Okay, so we are going to get which return type? Whether the stack is empty or not. It means we are going to get the answer in case of stack empty is that whether the stack is empty or not, that is true or false. So the return type is going to be Boolean. So Boolean has two values, either true or false. If stack is empty, so it is going to return me true. If the stack is not empty, okay, it means I'm going to return negative value. That is, I'm going to start the value from of the top as -1. So I'm having the return type as Boolean true or false, and I'm going to return the value of which variable? I'm going to return the value of the pointer variable called as top. That would decide whether the stack is empty or not. Okay, so let's take a function Boolean is empty. So what does it means is that whether the stack is empty or not. Okay, so if stack is empty, okay, so what does it mean? This top value will be starting from -1. Okay, so the top value will be starting from -1. This value I need to return. That's why I've written Boolean is empty. If it is true, okay, so I'm going to return top equal to -1. Okay, it means there are values which can be inserted into the stack. That is, data elements can be inserted into the stack if the top value is -1. Okay, now we are going to check whether stack is full or not. Okay, now let's say this where we have a size equal to 6. Okay, now since it's a stack array, my last element, okay, will be size -1. Okay, so top will be what? Size -1. Okay, so if the size is 6, so top will be pointing at the fifth element because I'm starting from the array, and as you remember, in case of array, index starts from 0, so top will be starting from 0. Okay, so how many element I can push is the size -1. Let's take an example where we have size 6. So the top value where I am going to have the maximum is size -1. That is 6 minus 1, which is going to be 5. Okay, so in this case Boolean is full. Top equal to size -1. So if size is 6, it is going 6 minus 1, which is going to be 5. So I'm going to return the value of top at this position. If the stack is full, okay, it is going to point to the last element, which is size -1. Now I cannot push any more elements into the stack. It means the stack is full. Okay, so if the stack is full, what this value will be of the top is the size -1. Okay, so always remember, if top value is -1, it means the stack is underflow. If top value is size -1, okay, it means we have reached to the topmost value of the stack. We cannot insert many more elements into the stack since we have filled all the data elements into the stack. So size is full. Okay, so while returning the top, I need to check the values of the top. If top is size -1, it is full. If top is -1, the stack is underflow, or I can say array is underflow. Okay, so remember, isEmpty is going to check whether values are present or not. Okay, in that case I'm going to return the value of top as -1. And if it is full, if the stack is full, so I'm going to return the top value as stack value, which is the size value. So size variable will be there, size -1 will be pointing to the top. So that case will be, we will return the value of top as return top equal to size -1 in case of stack is full. Now coming to the last part, that is the size of the stack. Okay, for this I'm going to write down the function get size. I'm going to return the value in form of integer. That's why I've written integer. Now in case of this, I'm going to have the size based on which way? I'm going to return the length variable value. That is which variable we're going to use? len. So in that case, when we want to get the size of the stack, we are going to return length. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to Ekeeda channel.